Hello student. Now today we are going to learn about the properties of inverse function and some solution of problem depending on properties of inverse of function. So for this purpose we take some example which is depend on properties of inverse of function. So first of all consider one example, that is tan inverse of half plus tan inverse. Show that tan inverse of half plus tan inverse of 1/3 equals to pi by 4. So observe this example, that is show that tan inverse of half plus tan inverse of 1/3 equals to pi by 4. So RHS is pi by 4. That means we have to show that the value of tan inverse of half plus tan inverse of 1/3 which is equals to pi by 4. That means we have to calculate the value of tan inverse of half plus tan inverse of 1/3. If it is equals to pi by 4, then we can conclude that LHS equals to RHS. That means we have to use some properties depending on inverse of function. So we know that tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y equals to, it is in the form of tan inverse of x and it is in the form of y. So tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y equals to tan inverse of it is a property, that means tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y which is equals to tan inverse of x plus y into 1 minus x into y, and restriction is that multiplication of x and y is strictly less than 1. ही प्रॉपर्टी आहे tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y equals to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y, or restriction is that the multiplication of x and y, where x and y is a real number, so x into y is strictly less than 1. So apply this formula as LHS. On the LHS, that means it is tan inverse of half plus tan inverse of 1/3. It is equals to LHS, and we have to prove that the value of LHS is equals to pi by 4. So tan inverse of, it is nothing but it is tan inverse of x and it is tan inverse of y. But we have the property tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is nothing but it is tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. So it is considered as x, it is as y. So it is nothing but tan inverse of x plus y, that means 1/2 plus 1/3, 1 minus 1/2 into 1/3. It is equals to tan inverse of, so it is 5/6 divided by, it is again 6 minus, it is 6 minus 1/6. So calculate here, it is tan inverse of, it is 5/6 and it is 6 minus 1, that is 5/6, that is equals to tan inverse of 1. 5/6 by 5/6. So calculate here, it is 1 minus 1/2 into 1/3. So multiplication of x and y, it is x plus y, it is x plus y by 1 minus x into y, where x is 1/2 and y is 1/3. So it is tan inverse of 5/6, that is tan inverse of 5/6 by 5/6 equals to tan inverse of 1. But we can substitute the value of 1 as tan by 4. tan pi by 4. This tan pi by 4. But we know the result, that is tan inverse of tan theta equals to theta. That means tan inverse into tan theta equals to theta. That means tan inverse into tan pi by 4, that is equals to pi by 4, and that is equals to RHS. So pi by 4 is nothing but it is RHS. That means value of tan inverse of half plus tan inverse of 1 by 3 is nothing but it is equals to, by this property, that means tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is nothing but it is tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus x into y, and that is equals to, by solving this LHS, and we can get the answer as a tan inverse of tan pi by 4 and tan inverse into tan theta equals to theta, that is equals to, theta is nothing but it is pi by 4, so it is pi by 4, and that is the RHS of the given equation. Let us now consider again another example. Show that 2 tan inverse of 1 by 3, 2 tan inverse of 1 by 3, 2 tan inverse of 1 by 3 equals to tan inverse of 3 by 4 equals to tan inverse of 3 by 4. So we have to show the left hand side as 2 tan inverse of 1 by 3 has value tan inverse of 3 by 4. आपण कोणतीही व्हॅल्यू कन्सिडर करू शकतो. एक तर tan इनव्हर्स ऑफ 3 by 4 ला 2 tan इनव्हर्स ऑफ 1 by 3 दाखवा, किंवा 2 tan इनव्हर्स ऑफ 1 by 3 ला, म्हणजे LHS ची व्हॅल्यू ही tan इनव्हर्स ऑफ 3 by 4 आपल्याला दाखवायची आहे. मग त्यावेळेस आपण एक रिझल्ट माहिती आपल्याला, एक प्रॉपर्टी आहे. सो प्रॉपर्टी इज 2 tan इनव्हर्स ऑफ x by property it is 2 tan inverse of x is nothing but it is tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square or minus 1 is less than x is less than 1. That means the value of x should be in between minus 1 to 1. So we use this property as on left side, that is 2 tan inverse of 1 by 3, that is 2 tan inverse of x. Consider x as a 1 by 3 and 2 tan inverse of 1 by 3 is nothing but it is tan inverse of 2 into 1 by 3 by 1 minus x square, that means 1 by 3. So substitute the value of x as 1 by 3, that is it is the property, that means 2 tan inverse of x is nothing but tan inverse of 2x plus 2x by 1 minus x square, if restriction is that the value of x should be in between minus 1 to 1. So use this property, that is as LHS equals to 2 tan inverse of 1 by 3 and 2 tan inverse, it is the value of x. So 2 tan inverse of 1 by 3 is nothing but it is tan inverse of 2 into x, that is x has value 1 by 3 is 1 minus 1 by 3 whole square, that is equals to tan inverse of it is 2 by 3 by it is 9 minus 1 by 9. So that is equals to tan inverse of it is 2 by 3 by 8 by 9. So it is 2 by 3 into 9 by 8. That is 3 3s are 9 and 2 4s are 8. That means it is equals to 3 by 4. That is equals to tan inverse of 3 by 4. So tan, by simplification of tan inverse of 2 by 3 by 8 by 9 is nothing but it is tan inverse of 3 by 4, which is our right hand side. That means the value of 2 tan inverse of 1 by 3 is nothing but by using this property, that is 2 tan inverse of x equals to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. So LHS has value tan inverse of 3 by 4. So it is nothing but it is the value of RHS. So again consider next example. Show that tan inverse of 1 by 5, tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7, tan inverse of 1 by 7 plus tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 8. One by 8 equals to pi by 4. So observe this example. We have to show tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 plus tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 8 has value pi by 4. That means observe the RHS. RHS is nothing but it has value pi by 4. That means we have to show that the value of LHS, that means tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y, again it is j. It is suppose that it is another letter. So tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y, again consider it is as tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y and use the property. That means we have to show the summation of tan inverse of something of 4 angle of tan inverse is equals to pi by 4. If it is x, it is y, it is z, it is alpha. That means we have to show tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y plus tan inverse of z plus tan inverse of alpha has value pi by 4. So we know if we consider these two as a group, that means tan inverse of x, we can write it as tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y, and we know the property, that is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y equals to, it is tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus x into y, where x into y should be less than 1. So use this property on tan inverse of 1 by 5, again tan inverse of 1 by 7, again tan inverse of 1 by 3 and tan inverse of 1 by 8. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, अगोदर आपण ह्या दोन जे पेयर आहे, ह्याचा हा जो पेयर आहे त्याला x आणि याला y कन्सिडर करू, पुन्हा याला x आणि y कन्सिडर करू आणि प्रॉपर्टी जी आहे tan इनव्हर्स ऑफ x प्लस tan इनव्हर्स ऑफ y ही प्रॉपर्टी यूज करून आपण ह्या चार टर्मला दोन टर्म मध्ये आपण कन्व्हर्ट करू. मग काय प्रॉपर्टी आहे tan इनव्हर्स ऑफ x प्लस y that is equals to tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7 by 1 minus 1 by 5 into 1 by plus tan inverse of it is 1 by 7 plus it is 1 by 7 and it is 1 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 7 into 1 by 3, that is equals to tan inverse of it is 12 by 35, again it is 1 minus, so 35 minus 1 by 35 plus tan inverse of it is 10 by 21 is 8, sorry, it is 8, so it is 15 by 56, again it is 56 minus 1 by 56. It is equals to tan inverse of it is 12 by 35, it is 34 by 35 plus tan inverse of it is 15 by 56, it is 55 by 56. So 35 get cancelled, so it is tan inverse of 3 by it is 12 by 34 plus tan inverse of this tan inverse of it is 1 by 3. So it is 1 by 3 it is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 8 is 1 by 3 into 1 by 8. So it is tan inverse of it is 11 by 24, it is 24 minus 1 by 24, that is equals to it is 11 by 23. 24 get cancelled, so it is 11 by 23. 11 by 23. Tan inverse of 11 by 23. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, अगोदर आपण ह्या दोन यांचे पेअर केले, त्याच्यानंतर ह्याचे हे दोन पेअर हे जे पेअर आहे हे कन्सिडर केले, याला x आणि y आणि याला x आणि y कन्सिडर केलं आणि आपण tan इनव्हर्स ऑफ x प्लस y चा फॉर्म्युला वापरला, म्हणजे प्रॉपर्टी tan इनव्हर्स ऑफ x प्लस y इज नथिंग बट इट इज tan इनव्हर्स ऑफ x प्लस y by 1 minus x into y. Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus tan inverse of x into y. So value of these four angle of tan inverse of x is nothing but it is tan inverse of 12 by 34 plus tan inverse of 11 by 23. So observe this. Tan inverse of, that means value of tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 8 is nothing but it is tan inverse of 12 by 34 plus tan inverse of 11 by 23. But again it is in the form of tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. Again use the property, that is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. Consider as x as y. So it is nothing but it is tan inverse of 12 by 34, that is x plus y, 11 by 23 by 1 minus it is 12 by 34, it is 11 by 23. So observe this, it is nothing but if we solve this tan inverse of 12 by 34 plus tan inverse of 11 by 23 by 1 minus 12 by 34 by 11 by 23. If we solve the angle, then we get the value as 325 by 325. Calculate this. 12 by 34 plus 11 by 23 by 1 minus 12 by 34, 11 by 23. So it is nothing but it is 35 325 by 325, that is tan inverse of 1. It is tan inverse of 1. But we know that the value of 1 is nothing but it is in the form of tan theta, that is tan pi by 4 has value 1. So we can write it as tan inverse of, replace the value of 1 as tan pi by 4. But we know the property, that is tan inverse of tan theta is nothing but it is theta. So theta in this case it is equals to pi by 4. Theta is nothing but it is equals to pi by 4, and which is our right hand side. So it is the process to solve by using the given example, by using the properties of inverse of function. So I think you should understand these properties. Now in the next period we are going to learn about the next chapter, that is the vector. So thank you. I will continue tomorrow.